Hello, Khulumbai bonisimbo आंनि मोनसे गोदान भिडिअ नोंथांमोन गासिखौबो बरायबाय। दिनै बड'लेण्ड इउनिभारसिटिनि सिङाव लुफुंजानाय नीलेश्वर ब्रह्म ऑडिटोरियम हॉल बे ऑडिटोरियम हॉलखौ दिनै बेखेवनाय जासिगोन। बे ऑडिटोरियम हॉलखौ जोंहा बिटिआरनिसिम प्रमद बर' बिथाङा दिनै बेखेवना होसिगोन।
Khulumbai, namaskar. Good morning, everyone. So today is very happy and proud for every one of us, for the whole university personality, and also for its stakeholders that we are going to have a new auditorium of our own, known as Nileswar Auditorium of Bodoland University. So we are going to inaugurate it. For inauguration purpose, we have invited our Honorable Chief of BTR, Chief Brahma. So here I request, on behalf of the whole university fraternity, to proceed ahead to inaugurate the auditorium of Bodoland University. So before that, I would like to request our student friends to facilitate our Honorable Chief. Auditorium by way of cutting the ribbon and also by unfurling the curtain on the plate, on the name plate. So, sir. Okay. Our visitor will be breaking the coconut fruit. 1, 2, 3. Warm welcome to you all. I am concluding my welcome address here. Thank you very much.